What Zuckerberg just did says, do this with silver now. Whenever the big players make a move that has anything to do with silver, my ears perk up. Oh, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Take home those 20 American Silver Eagles. You should be the next winner on that list. Now, check this out. This is from New York Magazine and Business Insider. It shows that Meta has entered into a partnership with Anduril Industries, a defense technology company. First, this is shocking because traditionally, that sector is avoided by Silicon Valley firms. But to see Zuckerberg going into defense technology, that has a lot to do with silver. Look, I just pulled this up. This is one of the top aircrafts that rely on silver, the F-35 Lightning II aircraft. The fleet size is approximately 1,763 units. So there's 1,763 of these aircraft, and each of them require a lot of silver. Remember, silver is the most highly conductive metal. So the military uses it a great deal. And not only for aircraft. Look here, this is laser defense systems. I don't know what these are, ANSEQ3, the HELTVD. I don't know what these acronyms mean, but they're laser defense systems that require silver. So, and there's many of them. They're not just making one-offs of these. The military, of course, uses silver in all of this technology. Now, this tells me that not only, of course, are we using up silver in industry like solar, EVs, just general electronics. That uses up, off the top of my head, it's close to 60% of the silver supply goes to that sector. And military use is also huge. So to see Zuckerberg make a move like this, where he's taking his funds going into an area where Silicon Valley typically would never look at, that's money going into silver. It's just another moving piece that tells me that this stagnant price that we've had for silver, I'm not blind, I see it. A full year hovering between $32 to $33 an ounce. That price is about to move as this all rolls out. All of these moving pieces, trade war, economic uncertainty, all of these pieces that push funds into the safe haven of metals like silver. We experienced last year. Everyone was excited. We got that $10 jump in silver. That was great. Now we've had a correction, and moves like this, when Zuckerberg makes moves like this, that tells me that the next $10 jump, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but this is the pattern of silver that I see time and again. When he makes a move like that, money is going into silver, and the value of silver is going to move up. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. You should be the next winner. Click that link, take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.